Hi clients! In this video po, mayroon po tayong dalawang clients na i-assist for viewing. So tara po, samahan niyo po ako.
So here's my first client po, and they are representatives ng client kong nasa abroad. Yes, pwede pong kumuha mga OFW nating clients basta meron silang representative dito sa Pilipinas. And they are interested to get a 2-bedroom 30 square meters na unit. Move forward naman po tayo dito sa ating next client na couple. Currently, andito po kami sa ating dress up unit and sinubukan po nila yung haba ng bed natin. Yung bed na po na yan, that's double sized bed. And yes, tinatry talagang higaan ng mga clients itong bed na to know yung length ng ating beds na kakasya sa ating bedrooms. So dito, si sir naman ang nag-try humiga sa ating bed. So sila client, para silang locally employed. And bandali lang yung requirements nila kasi most likely, sleep lang yun, COE lang yun, then IDs. Then last na unit viewing for today is yung client ko nang napa-reserve din last week lang. Gusto daw kasi ulit tignan ni sir and picturean yung unit na reserve nila. Okay din yung view ng unit nila, kita yung amenities.
So that's it clients, tapos na po lahat ng ating viewing for today. So today nakatatlo tayong viewings. Yung dalawa is interested clients and yung last is unit owner na sila. Pinaprocess na po for approval yung kanilang loan. Okay? So for those clients po na gusto magpaset ng site viewing dito sa Urban Decom Ortigas, kindly message me lang po dito sa ating number sa taas or dito sa ating Facebook page. Okay? So I hope to see you soon clients. Bye!